In this video, we will go through Solana Wallet, primarily focusing on Phantom Wallet. Phantom is the most widely used wallet on the Solana network with a good user-friendly interface. We will show how to set up and use Phantom Wallet. Now that you understand what Phantom is all about, let's dive into the steps to set up Phantom Wallet. Step 1. Go to the Phantom Wallet website. Click Download for Chrome. Phantom Wallet supports other browsers. And click Add to Chrome. The link to the Phantom Wallet website is in this video description. Step 2. Click Create New Wallet. Or click the I already have a wallet button if you already have a recovery seed phrase. We are creating a new wallet, so we will click Create New Wallet. Step 3. Create a new password and click the Continue button. Step 4. Copy your secret recovery phrase, store it safely, and never share it with anyone. Step 5. Click on the Phantom icon in your browser. Step 6. Click the Send or Receive button to send or receive Solana. If you want to go through the guide in non-video format, you can check out the How to Guide via the link in this video description. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.